In this video, I'll guide you through how to hide and unhide Gmail side panels. This is a simple trick that can make your inbox feel cleaner, give you more space to read emails, and help you focus when you need to. We'll take it step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to show or hide those panels whenever you want. First, start by opening Gmail in your web browser. Make sure you're on the main inbox view where you can see your list of emails. If you're using multiple accounts, double check that you're in the account where you want to adjust the layout. But remember that what we're doing now is more about how Gmail looks on your screen than about any specific messages. Once Gmail is open, look toward the top left corner of the screen. You're looking for the menu icon, which looks like three horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. This is sometimes called the hamburger icon. It usually sits near the Gmail logo and above your list of labels like inbox, starred, and sent. Go ahead and click this menu icon. The moment you click it, you'll notice the main side panel on the left either collapse or expand. If the panel was open and showing labels and folders, it will slide in and shrink down to just the icons. If it was hidden, clicking the icon will slide it back out, showing the full names of your labels again. This action effectively toggles the visibility of the side panel. When it's collapsed, you'll have more horizontal space to read your email content, which is especially helpful on smaller screens or laptops. You can still access everything when it's collapsed by hovering over the narrow strip, but the interface will feel less cluttered. When it's expanded, it's easier to quickly jump between labels, categories, and folders, which is great if you're organizing or searching through a lot of mail. If you want to switch it back, simply click the same menu icon again. Each time you click it, you're telling Gmail to either hide or show that main side panel. There's no separate save button or confirmation needed. The change takes effect immediately, and Gmail will usually remember your preference the next time you open your inbox on that device and browser. As you practice this a few times, pay attention to how it affects your workflow. For example, you might prefer keeping the side panel hidden when you're reading or writing long emails, and then turning it back on when you're organizing messages into different labels. Knowing how to quickly toggle this panel gives you the flexibility to adjust your workspace to what you're doing at the moment. To recap in a natural way, open Gmail in your browser, find the menu icon with three horizontal lines in the top left, and click it to hide or show the left side panel. Click once to collapse it for a cleaner view, and click again to bring it back whenever you need it. That's all you need to know to hide and unhide Gmail side panels. With this small adjustment, you can customize your inbox layout to better suit your screen and your style of working.